right, here we go. 11 weeks old, Louie. Hi, baby. Healthy, getting big. And we're going to the vet first thing in the morning. Are you ready, Louie? You ready? Let's go. Let's go. Smell the dogs. Somebody peed here.
Alright, and then can we maybe get a weight on him real quick?
Come on, go. Scared. Let's see. Ooh, where we're at. 14.9. Getting a little scared.
Down. Are you ready, big guy? Very cute. Please don't fall off the table. Hi. Let me see. I'm gonna get a swab in there. Is he scratching at his ears at all?
No,
you just noticed.
we cleaned it, but we just
Good.
want to make sure that it was. Oh, you can go that deep.
Oh yeah. As long as you kind of stay straight up and down in the ear canal, you're okay. His ears look great.
Oh, no.
Yeah. Perfect ears. Let's see your teeth. Oh yeah, beautiful. In the next month or so, he's gonna start losing teeth. Or if it gets more nibbly, or if you see teeth come out.
On the mouth talk.
And then do you plan to neuter him? Yeah.
Eventually.
Anytime after 6 months, you can wait if you want to, but technically anytime after 6 months.
So we read like something about neutering before they're fully grown is not the best, right?
We don't really know, but that's why I say technically we can do it after 6 months, but if you want to wait, it's fine to wait.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe closer towards the year mark.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good boy.
You sound good and you look good. All right, let's try some bribery here. Can I bribe you with a cookie? Come over here. One. Look at you.
Wow.
Switch it on up. Okay, this one's gonna go on the back leg over here.
Oh.
There you go. Good boy. I like him. Bribery at its finest. He looks great. So the next round of vaccines will be at 16 weeks, and he'll be done.
11 and then 6.
Oh, and then they're done?
For a year.
Oh,
For a year, yeah.
Oh.
And then once he gets his vaccines next year, most of them will be good for 3 years. So it's kind of nice to get him on that 3-year schedule.
Okay.
But for now, after the 16 weeks, he'll be good for a year.
All done? There you go. All right, all done. Let's go. Well, he doesn't even feel anything, huh?
He did, he just
Yeah, good job.
was fine.
She was watching.
We're gonna have lollipops at school today.
Really? Yeah. I'm running away. Tucker? You didn't see it. He's like, he doesn't know I don't know.
Good boy. Ready? Good boy. Oh, yeah. Good boy. Really? Good boy.
Louis, say goodbye to 11 weeks. There it is, growing good. Bad boy, good boy, everything. We'll come to 12th week. See you next week. Peace.